Good morning, students. This is our social studies class, and we have started our lesson, our Earth, our home. And we have studied up to what makes up the Earth, and we have done the reading part of movements of the Earth. Today, I will explain you what are the movements of the Earth. The Earth never stands still. It keeps moving all the time. The two main movements of Earth are rotation and revolution. Now when you see the Earth, it is always rotating or revoluting. It always keeps moving all the time. You can say in this manner it rotates. The Earth spins like a top from west to east. This movement is called a rotation. The Earth spins like a top about an imaginary line called axis. The spinning movement of the Earth is known as rotation. Rotation causes day and night. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Earth takes complete one day, that is 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. When the Earth rotates, a part of it faces the sun. This part of the Earth that receives sunlight has a day. Now you can see when the Earth is rotating, the part which is facing towards sun, comes in daytime. In this part of Earth, there is a day, and the part which does not receive sunlight, it is into night. The part of the Earth that is away from the sun, that is this, receives no light. There is no light. It has night. Thus, the rotation of the Earth causes day and night. So, when Earth is rotating, day and night is formed. Now, revolution. While rotating, the Earth also goes around the sun at the same time. This movement of the Earth around the sun is known as revolution. Like other planets, the Earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path. This path is called its orbit. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours or 365 and quarter days to complete one revolution. Now you can see here how the Earth is revolving around the sun. It is rotating itself also, and with rotation it is revolving around the sun. It takes total 365 and quarter days. And in this movement, the Earth and causes seasons. Revolution causes seasons. The Earth takes almost 1 year to go around the sun once. When the Earth moves, the part of the Earth that receives the direct heat of the sun has summer. The other part which does not receive the direct heat of the sun has winter. Now you can see in this picture how the Earth is revolving around the sun and it takes up 1 year. But during this time, seasons are formed. We will see how the seasons are formed. See, when it comes here, it is summer. Now it is revolving here and it comes in autumn. Likewise, when Earth comes here, it is winter. 4 seasons are formed in our country, that is summer, Summer is hot with dry and humid conditions. So we try to keep cool in summer. And we drink cold drink and wear light clothes. In winter, winter is cold. In winter we wear warm woolen clothes and enjoy hot drinks. Autumn. Autumn is neither hot nor cold. And next is spring. Spring is neither hot nor cold. Trees grow new leaves in spring. So you understood about the rotation and revolution. Rotation means rotating itself. You can see here, this is a top. The kids play this top, spinning top. When it is moving, it moves around itself only on its axis. Likewise, only Earth also rotates in its axis. And when rotation takes place, day and nights are formed. The part facing towards sun is daytime, and the part facing away from sun that doesn't receive sunlight, it is a night time. And in revolution, Earth revolves around sun, and it takes 365 days to complete one revolution. And during revolution, seasons are formed. You can see here, during June, summer is called, September autumn, December winter, and in March it's a spring. So in this lesson, what we have studied? The earth is a planet of life. The earth's surface is made up of land, water, and the air is all around it. The main movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. Rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes seasons. So you read it once again. Read from starting. Read lesson once again.